So you see, we got a manual transmission Jeep Wrangler here today. Kind of a wet, rainy Monday morning, but we're inside of a 2014 JKU Wrangler. This has got the Willys package on it. 2014 though, what does that mean? Stay with us. Come on, hit it hard. So 2014 means you're getting a 3.6 liter engine under the hood of your Jeep Wrangler, which really makes a big difference from day-to-day driving on the highway and all of that. I mean, if you're buying a Jeep Wrangler for an everyday driver, I really do suggest you going out there and trying to find a 3.6 liter versus maybe getting an 07 to 2011 model, which those are nice still, but you're getting a 3.8 liter, and it just doesn't have the extra power that you're gonna need, torque and horsepower, to really enjoy driving your Wrangler. I mean, seriously, come on by our store there and drive a 3.8 and then drive a 3.6, and you'll really see what I'm talking about. Now, the 3.6 that we're driving today, you can get these in 2012 models. We're starting to get a lot more of them at our dealership now because we're starting to be able to find 3.6 liters, you know, with a little more mileage on them so we can get them in a good price range. But I mean, just let me drop it down in the third real quick and let y'all kind of hear, you know, hear the motor and really feel a little bit of the oomph that we got here when we're driving. Let's see. Oh, it sounds good. I mean, man, good acceleration. We're gonna drop down into second gear here. Second gear's good. I mean, again, I believe this 3.6 has got around 283 horsepower. So, you know, 283 with a manual transmission, it really feels nice. Rear wheel drive, you know, of course they're four wheel drive, but rear wheel drive is good. And, you know, my wife said it to me over the weekend. She said, man, I really like seeing you drive a manual transmission, a stick shift, Chad. She's like, man, it's manly driving a stick. So I get it now a little bit more sometimes with some of the guys and women that come in and say, hey, I really want a manual transmission Jeep Wrangler. It's just something different about it. You're in more control of your vehicle. Now here, we're in first. Rev it out a little bit. Okay. I mean, just, man, all that power out of that 3.6 liter. So again, I'm not saying it's a bad motor to 3.8, but man, oh man, if you can find your 3.6, get out there and find it, because it's got all the extra power that you're gonna want to drive every day with your Jeep. So anyways, all right guys, we're at the dealership here this morning. Let's hop out real quick and we'll show you this, what this Willys 2014 model kind of looks like. That's what it looks like right there. The 2014 Willys got just a little bit of a lift on it, rims, tires, all that. But again, guys, it's worth spending that extra money if you can get the 3.6 liter. If you're really on a budget and you got a price range, I understand. But if you can really spend a little extra, definitely bump up with a 3.6. More reliable, more power, just a little bit more everything. All right, guys, we'll see you, and thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.